Hey guys, good afternoon. Now I'm waiting for the tour guide. Our plan today go to Phillip Island for the Maru Animal Park. Watching the koala. We cannot touch the koala, but we can touch the kangaroo. And the next is chocolate factory, but there is the optional need to pay for extra $30. But we don't think we love it, so we just sightseeing outside. And the last is we're gonna watch the Peguin parade. Peguin Pulang Petang.
Okay, it's morning again, ladies and gentlemen. That if you feel that a little bit of hot or too warm for you, yeah, the top of you can may see a little vent there. You can open it. I keep the fresh air in. Tonight, when you go home, you make sure to close them. They're too cold. That's the weather in Victoria. Now this is we starting spring season. So on the spring season, it's always happen like in the daytime you can feel beautiful, nice and warm, but during the night time it drop down to 9, 10, 7 degrees. It'll be cold in the night time. So we call that is a 4 seasons a day, yeah. So you can feel it already.
Needs an excellent personal assistant? That's where I come back in. My name is Tristan and I'm the shearer's rouseabout. Thank you, thank you.
Shear every 12 months, but this time of year we don't shear much, so we get what we're given. I take the belly wool off first and separate that, and then I just work.
Alright, now as you watch the shearing, you will see that the shearer uses his legs to restrain that sheep, so he's got his hands free to be able to pick up the wool and get closer to the skin. Then as you can see, Mark has started on the underside, as he mentioned, because this is actually the dirtiest part of the wool. When a sheep goes to sleep, they sleep on their belly. So there's going to be lots of dirt, lots of grass seeds in that wool, so we're going to take it away and clean it separately. Don't worry though, we're not going to throw that.
Jody, hi. Jody.
Bye bye Jody.
Hi, Jody.
So on your right hand side of the bridge, that's one you are warning to. On the right hand side is Western Port. See, they go by pair. And sometimes the breeding season turns up, and then they have a little one to follow up together. You can see it.